In this video, we are decorating the Teresa Collins Happy Planner for the week of November 1st using the Seasons of Color sticker book and a fall floral theme. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. Okay, let's get started. I already took out the pages for the week of November 1st, and I have flipped through Seasons of Color sticker book and figured out that the fall florals are in the back. I think that was it. Yes, these are the fall florals. So I thought the like these colors, the yellow and orange, were the fall florals, but those are the summer florals. So we're gonna use the fall florals from this book. Let me get to it. See these, there's yellow, that's the summer ones. So I'm gonna flip past the summer section to these. This begins the fall florals. And then in this little extra sticker book, I grabbed this at my store also because I just wanted a couple extra stickers. So this one has a page for each season. So here's winter, summer. So it also tells you which florals from this book are meant to be that season's florals, because to me they were different colors than I thought they would be. So these are the spring. Oh, this says spring. These are the summer. So I was wrong again. The orange and yellow was spring. These are the summer colors. And then these are the fall florals. So these are the colors that we're using for this spread. Now the floral sticker book has lots of decorative stickers, but not that many functional. So I also grabbed this jewel tone boxes sticker book because it has the pretty copper foil boxes, and I thought those would be good for our fall spread, or these like that dark purple jewel tone boxes. Those also go with these florals. Step 2 is washi tape, and I found this like shade of brown with copper foil, Simply Gilded Skinny Washi. It's so pretty. I'm going to use that, and I think I'm gonna just put it probably something like that just across the week, across the whole week, just because it's pretty. It's just an accent for decorative purposes only. Because I enjoy washi tape in my planner. So I'm just going to put a little bit here and then straight across the other half of the week over here. And trim this side. Oops. And I put that little extra piece right here. Next step is box stickers, and like I said, this one doesn't have any box stickers. It's like all decorative. So we're gonna grab some boxes out of here, and I think I'll probably do like a couple of each, like a couple of this dark purple and a couple of the copper ones to put on, so like at least one of each on each page. Let's see what we've got to work with in here. All right, I want to start off with these copper boxes with the little like sprinkles. Let's put the sprinkles at the bottom. I'm going to put one on the left page and then one on the right page, and then we will decorate them with the fall florals. So one there, one over here, maybe with the sprinkles at the top. Let's put it on Friday. All right, I think I'm gonna do 2 copper on each page and then one of the purple. So I'll put one down here and one up there, and then one down here, and then one up, or no wait, up here. Then I'm gonna use these, I would say medium-sized boxes. I'm gonna use 2 in the purple color to fill in like some places in the middle. Next up is checklists and bullet points, and this book also has some really good bullet points, so we're gonna grab a couple of those. There's some triangles we can use for bullet points, so let me grab some copper triangles, put them somewhere. And I like to put them to where I can use them as bullet points on 2 days at the same time. So maybe like down here, like so. Maybe again over here on Saturday. Let's put them facing this way though this time, just to change it up. 1 bullet point, 2 bullet points. Now let's grab these tiny ones in that dark purple shade. Let's put them in the center here. And then maybe a couple more, are there copper ones? Yeah, then a couple more in copper on Monday. Now for the fun stickers. So let's flip through this section of the Fall Florals and choose our biggest stickers first. Like if there's a big floral or a big quote, like one of these, we'll probably want to put that in there first, or like this, or this, fall vibes, or that. That is gorgeous. These are pretty. Joy begins with gratitude. Ooh, pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. I like all of those. All right, I chose 2 big stickers that I want. I like this Fall in Love with Today, and I like this giant floral here. So that there should be some space here for that big floral. And then we can put this tall sticker over here in our left column. So let's see if that will fit there. I'm not sure if these florals are part of it. I think they are. So we might have to trim them so that this will fit on the left side. All right, let's just grab this first and see if we can fit it over here. So yeah, we'll just have to trim off one of the florals, either the left one or the right one. Or we could leave both and just trim the edge. Let's do that. Let's leave it so it goes onto that sticker a little bit. All right, then we'll just trim this extra part that's hanging over the edge. Let's grab this big, beautiful floral sticker next because I like it. It actually has that light purple in it too. We could grab some light purple boxes out of the jewel tone boxes. This is pretty, and it's gonna take up a lot of our space in our planner, but we're doing florals this week, so let it take up space. We still have plenty of room to write in our boxes, so I want to do something like that. And we'll trim this edge and this edge. These we might be able to put down here like that. If you want to. Okay, I want to grab a couple of the florals from this page. And I think what we will do is cut them in half and then do something like this. Put it on one side of the box and the other side of the box. All right, I like this one on this page to put over here because we have a little space here. We don't want to put flowers here because we're writing there, we're writing here, but we could put flowers here, we can put flowers here. So let's see how we want to put these, kind of like that yellow. So let's do this one kind of like that. And then this half can go over here. as long as we still have space to write either over here. Let's see, if I put it there, I don't want to take up that box, so I might go with this space instead. I really like this sticker too. It's so pretty. And that one we could trim maybe so it's a little bit smaller and it can still go in this corner but not take up as much space. Let's do that. Maybe like this. I think I'm going to put the other half of this one here. Then I thought it would be cool if we layered some of these clear ones on top of our paper stickers. So let's do that. So I want to take one of these and just kind of layer it there so it'll have like some sparkle on top of the pretty watercolor background. And they're not the same shapes, but that's okay. Let them be different. All right, so we have another piece of the rose gold florals here. We could maybe trim it like that. And then one more piece here. Let's see if this goes anywhere. It'll fit right here. All right, I love that. Now I don't normally like to mix foil colors, like that's rose gold, these are copper, and this is like a lighter gold foil, but I think it works for fall colors. So I'm mixing them all together. I want to grab, so with that in mind, those were rose gold. I want to grab a gold piece to put on top of that floral, and then we have a little bit of foil on all the florals. All right, here's a gold one that's a similar shape to that, but I'm going to trim it just so it has a flat edge. So I'm just going to trim like this part, and we'll put it right here on this one. Oh my gosh, I love that. I wanted you to see how those foils look up close. They're just really cool. All right, I want to grab one. I want to grab this one from the small sticker book because I want a little bit in this corner and a little bit in that corner. I think I'm going to grab this one right here and then cut that one in half so that it can go in both of those two corners. All right, so let's start here. Trim this. And we have this piece to go over here in this corner. All right, let's go back to our jewel tone boxes and grab a couple of these Yay, Love, Yes to Do labels because they match and they're super cute. To do. I'm moving this one down here because I messed up that little bottom sticker a little bit, so cover it up. All right, I absolutely love it. Let's put it on the discs. As always, descriptions of the products used in this video will be in the description box. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and I will see you in the next one. Bye.